what do we got going on here? Well, we have some repairs to do to the camper. So it's already been done, but I'm gonna let you guys know what happened. I broke the welds on here, if in case you haven't seen that video. But yeah, basically a 30 kilo inverter sitting inside there. This just, it wasn't strong enough. It is now, but I'll let you see how it got repaired and how bad it was beforehand, after a bit of a jump in the bush and a big bang and crash going through one of the tracks out the back of Linville. Now it also suffered another bruise, one that I'm not so worried about at all. You'll be able to see that. Little greys there and missing the reflector on the side. All in all, could have been much worse, and I'll tell you what, I'm glad that this is fixed now. Well, you can see what's going on here. The battery I built is out. Because of this big heavy inverter, got some repairs to do. I don't know if you can see up there, you go. That's where the welds busted along the bottom. Just putting it back in place. No one's helping me out. Thanks, Owie. Okay, we've got everything disconnected. Car's even disconnected. Fridge is running off the patrol at the moment. Car's not earthed to the trailer. Here we go. So basically what happened, we had to swap over to the MIG welder because the TIG welder just wasn't quite working the way we wanted it to in this situation. And yeah, so Owen had to swap the entire reel over and get the new or different gun as well to work with the reel. I'm so glad that he knows what he's doing. I can't thank him enough for his work. See, I'd turn it up to 1000 and go down from there until it stops blowing holes. Yeah. I wouldn't have a clue. Dance.
Sweet. Set up already. Right, stinky.
It looked pretty gassy in there. Run out of air before I could even do anything. Got upside down. Got a bit tricky.
Tricky down and upside down. It's tricky because it's so thin. This one's it just bubbled out.
Yep.
This one's very strong. This one is quite a gap there. Still pretty good, but
Yep.
yeah, get a bit more in. Yeah. Yeah, it's about the one we get. So hard to weld with that black stuff.
At least you don't need a jack now.
Yep.
Just a little bit stronger than what was there.
It's not sitting on anything. It's all weld.
It's way better. There we go. Fixed. Clean out in here. Doesn't need to match. It's not getting looked at every day. Got a weird spray on this sprayer.
Yeah.
Goes up. Got mad runs everywhere. Now to recharge the batteries completely. 76 amps I'm pushing in at the moment so that I can reset the shunt and recalibrate it. Back home after that absolute mission, going through all the Thursday traffic all the way through Brisbane. Not my favourite thing to do, but can't thank Owen enough for his work on the camper. Welding them up, even though it's a difficult thing to weld with powder coating all over the alley, it's so much stronger now than it was before. Obviously the little laser welds aren't the greatest on this, so it's now upgraded and it can definitely hold the big 30 kilo inverter. So after doing all the welding and putting everything back together, I had to reset the shunt and have to do that by completely charging the batteries back up. So I did that using 240 volt power from the inverter and charged it at 75 amps for around about half an hour and topped the batteries up completely and then reset the shunt to 100% and it's back to normal now. But yeah, couldn't be happier with the results. Absolutely stoked, and it just feels good that it's fixed again. And the whole time it's been weighing on my mind what would have happened if it dropped. You know, you've got some decent sized terminals here, could have all gone wrong, but yeah, very, very happy with the result. Thank you again, Owen. Thanks for watching, everyone.